Hello everyone, Thomas Braam here. I'm a senior DevOps engineer at Gurobi and involved in some of our generative AI projects. Today I want to share a quick overview with some of the projects we've been working on and have already been made available. They are Gurobot and Gurobi AI modeling. So the first one, Gurobot, of the two is the most straightforward one and has seen the most mileage. Gurobot is a so-called custom GPT, which simply means that this is a thin layer on top of ChatGPT, with the thin layer being an enrichment of ChatGPT's knowledge with our latest documentation, knowledge base, and a Gurobi Pi wheel. Adding the Gurobi Pi wheel means ChatGPT can run Gurobi Pi code inside of its code interpreter. The use case for Gurobot is all manner of questions you might have about Gurobi with regards to modeling or any of its APIs. Gurobot is available now through the link in the description as well as in the GPT store. Then we have Gurobi AI modeling. With this, I think we could be looking at a new paradigm and open up access to optimization to a much wider audience. In Gurobi AI modeling, we aim to teach leveraging LLMs for modeling optimization problems. The goal we are trying to achieve is using the LLM as a facilitator during the rough early stages of learning optimization and help users build their first few models. Concretely, Gurobi AI modeling is mainly a documentation piece on Read the Docs containing the following. Number 1, a practice-forward, low-math introduction to optimization. Number 2, how to describe an optimization model in human language as input prompt for an LLM so that the output is a working optimization model in, for instance, Python. Number 3, example optimization problems for a new audience. The current main target audience for this project are the various specializations in the software engineering domain. We think with their experience in coding, they are best positioned to first make use of this new paradigm. We came up with a wide range of potential optimization problems they might unknowingly have around them. For these problems, we have descriptions, an example prompt, and potential generated output for the LLM. We hope this new group of people are inspired by these examples and might start to look for similar problems in their own vicinity. Number 4, we have also come up with a custom GPT called Gurobi AI Modeling Assistant that is specially attuned to taking these input prompts and translating these problems in human language into a Gurobi Pi model, solve it, and explain the results back to the user. Number 5, another custom GPT part of the project is called Gurobi AI Modeling Prompt Engineer. It is a sparring partner for people who are not yet attuned to seeing optimization problems around them. Through a discussion format, it helps the user identify optimization problems and its components like objective and constraints. If you have not yet checked it out, I would really recommend going through the Getting Started page and taking 2 minutes to see what exactly I'm talking about. Personally, I can't wait to see what new applications users come up with. This is our generative AI update. Thanks for watching.